In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious beef stew recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1.5 pounds of cubed beef, 3 carrots sliced, 1 parsnip sliced, 1 onion diced, half a cup of bacon sliced, 1 pound of mini potatoes cut in 4, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of thyme, 3 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 1 cup of red wine. To the beef, we're going to add in the flour and mix until it's evenly coated. In a pot over heat, we're going to add in the bacon and cook thoroughly. Add in the onions and saute them. Add the meat and cook until it's no longer red. Add in the garlic, and the paprika. Add the red wine and mix until combined. Add in the carrots, and the parsnips. Season with the salt, pepper, chili flakes, thyme, and mix well. Add in the bay leaves. Add in the mini potatoes. Add in 2 cups of water. Cover with a lid. Simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours or until the meat is completely cooked. Remove from heat. Top the stew with parsley. Our beef stew is complete and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.